Hello mga katry, ako po si Justine. Your one and only Tri-PH Media Ambassador here in Taiwan. Right now, we're here in Nantou County. Ngayon po, itutour namin kayo sa Cingjing Farm. Let's find out why so many people come and visit this place. Keep watching at mag-try na! As you can see, we are here in the entrance, and these are the entrance fee. Before you go in, you need to stamp on your hand. And you need to wear comfortable shoes because you're gonna do a lot of walking. And look at that, caterpillars. This herd of sheep are from New Zealand.
OK， 各位看一下这个，如果你很多羊，你用 hand to weigh， 可是问题没有。
你把我的他们，你要放在手上。对对对，你这样子都傻了，他吃。
You can feed the sheep. As you can see here.
Did you feed them yet? 可以，各位，这是现在妈早上是100块哈。It's American dollars. 各位小心一点，不好意思，这个。
So once the show is over, the sheep is allowed to roam around, and you can touch them, you can feed them.
清代快吗？不好意思，我们要休息啊。相机。各位，3点11点45分，10点45分。10:45. There's a horse show. Keep going down the hill. 10:45. This is a sheep show. It's not at 9:30. Sorry. At the bottom, go through the market and on the other side.
Oh. Hello.
Excuse me.
宝贝，手来，手。
OK， 不好意思，最后一个 last one， 有没有人要？你要走上吗 ？Do you want to play that last one？ 不好意思嘛，来。
哎，
行。
他很。
过去哪里？哦。OK。
It's cute.
Oh, look at it.
And you want to feed them as well? Right. What, grass? Okay, I can get it.
That's it. 600.
Yes. It's good for lamb chop. It's good for lamb chop. Hey, want some? Right here. Come on. Emma, take a look. Hey, no. No, just see it. See?
So, tapos na po natin matry ang Cingjing Farm sa Nantou. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. If you want to come and visit this place, you can contact Taiwan Tourist Guide Facebook page. Or you can also comment your inquiries down below. Or email tryphmedia@gmail.com. Muli po, ako po si Justin, ang inyong one and only TryPH Media Ambassador here in Taiwan. Saying, you'll never know unless you try.
前面的加边票要赶快找到位置就坐了哦。那待会姚妹妹经过你前面的时候啊，也请小心不要用